This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. Beautiful views of the Chesapeake Bay as soon as you open the door. This building has a direct facing view of beautiful sandy beaches and daily sunsets. Enjoy the open floor plan with large great room, spacious primary suite with double vanity and private secondary bedroom. One-level living with easy elevator access, 24-hour security at the front desk, new pickleball courts, in-ground pool, and private beach access. Condo fee includes all utilities, electric, water/sewer/trash, basic cable, gym/sauna, library, wood shop, tennis/pickleball courts and pool on site. New carpet. Assigned storage on hallway and in garage area.